The seated wall slide is a great mobility exercise for overall shoulder health. It also helps improve your posture by strengthening your scapula and correcting rounded and forward slumped shoulders. To get started, sit down against a wall with your leg crossed in front of you. You can also do this standing. However, the seated variation may be a better option for people who are extremely tight, as the bending of the hips makes it easier to keep your lower back pressed against the wall. To make it more challenging, you could also bend your knees and plant your feet in front of you, or the most challenging seated variation is with your legs straight in front of you. Before starting, sit up straight and contract your abs to ensure your head and lower back is pressed into the wall. With your elbows bent, raise your arms and press your entire arm, including your forearms and hands, to the wall. In a slow and controlled manner, extend your arms overhead while focusing on keeping your back pressed into the wall to avoid overarching your back. Also, to keep your arms against the wall, think about shaving the hair off your arms using the wall. Then lower your arms by bending your elbows until they are close to your sides. Do your best to ensure your shoulders, elbows, and wrists maintain contact with the wall throughout the movement. You should feel a contraction in your shoulders and back. Repeat for reps. Subscribe for more Live Lean TV daily exercises.